Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I just wanted to share with you my October, well technically it's September paper pumpkin by Stampin' Up, and I go ahead and unbox this, show you guys what I got. So if you subscribed in the month of September, August 11th to September 10th, you would have gotten this box. So if you sign up now, you won't get this box. You'll be getting like a holiday themed box, and I'll post a preview of that on my blog. But you can also see it on Stampin' Up. No, I'm sorry, paperpumpkin.com, and the link above. If you click on my link, it will take you to Paper Pumpkin. Oh yeah, and here's a sneak peek of what you'll be getting if you sign up now. So within the next month or two, if you sign up, you'll see this kit here until October 10th. Then from October 11th to November 10th, if you sign up, you'll see this kit here. Now, from what I can read here, it tells you if you get this kit, it's going to include 10 cards and envelopes. And if you get this kit, it's going to contain 24 tags with 4 different designs. And each kit's all-inclusive and can stand alone, but you may want to interchange them once you get them, and then you can have all your Christmas cards made by November. So these are going to be really, really cute. They'll be coordinating, and with the 24 tags, you can always make cards with that. So there's always a lot of alternate projects posted. Now, I've seen previews of this kit, and I'm already in love. I already know I'm going to love it, but I just love how it comes packaged, this cute tissue paper. So actually I'm going to take this out and save this for wrapping a cute present later. And I want to show you, so it comes with an ink spot. This month is Gorgeous Grape, and this stamp set. Look how adorable that skeleton is. So cute. So there's actually 2 skeletons dancing or moving around. So cute. And there's a little skull and crossbones. Happy Halloween. This one says, eat if you dare. So that'd be really cute for treats, little treat bags. And what's this says? Toxic treats. This says Bon Appetit. Bon Appetit. How cute. Trick or treat. And I got that. Happy Halloween. Yeah. Toxic. And this is toxic treats. So maybe that would be cute on a bottle or something if you're doing a party. So these are the high quality photopolymer stamps that you can just peel right off and stick to your block. You do get a small thin block when you first sign up with Paper Pumpkin. So if you sign up using my link, you will get a block in your first kit, and then you just peel your stamps, stick them onto your block, ink them up, and stamp. So just pretty much ready to go. So let's check out this kit. And this October kit, and I'm sure there might be refills for this on their website. But maybe not, though. Sometimes the holiday ones, they do run out of. But when you get a refill, you do not get the stamps and you do not get the ink spot. You just get the packaging. But look how cute these boxes are. So you have enough to make 3, 6, 9, 10 of each. 10 stripe boxes, 10 polka dot. And they have cute little skeleton embellishments. Let me go ahead and get this open, and I'll take out the pieces so we can actually see them. And I mean, if you have some holiday or Halloween stamps at home, you can just go on to Paper Pumpkin or StampinUp.com, and you can click on Paper Pumpkin refills and see if there's any refills, and you can use your own stamps, and you can make these adorable treat boxes. I mean, these are great for teacher gifts, gifts for coworkers that celebrate Halloween. I mean, very versatile. Just nice to give somebody a treat at Halloween, and it's very personalized and so, so cute. So here are the boxes. Pretty pumpkin pie sheen on them. Little tags that we can stamp, those little sayings. Here's some headstone shaped die cuts. Some die cut tags that are we have 2 sheets of those. These are so cute. These are 2 sheets again. I thought they were stickers, but because they're so thick, but it's because there's 2 sheets there. 2 sheets of skeletons and hands. Vellum circles. That's to go behind the skull spider webs. How cute is that? Skull and bone spider webs. So, so cute. So cute. I love it. Of course, each pack usually comes with glue dots. And these are really helpful when you're dealing with these small little pieces, delicate pieces like that. And of course, has some instructions. And these, oh, I have to tell you about this. Okay, so usually has the cardboard chipboard, which is really nice too. I mean, you can keep that for other crafts. And they're starting to include alternate projects, which I think is so cute because not everybody is online, not everybody is on Pinterest. But these are super duper cute. Little card, different style treat box, and another little card that you could make. And full instructions. Sometimes they are in color, sometimes they're in black and white, but pretty easy instructions to follow for your treat boxes. Now let me show you what's in this little bag. Got these little black clothespins, mini clothespins. How cute is that? And these are new to Stampin' Up. They're in the holiday catalog. They are black pop dots, black dimensionals, which would pop up your project and give it some dimension. So they're sticky, adhesive backed little dots, and they're black. So great for those projects you don't want to see the white behind them. So, and I wanted to point out these little crows. These are in the holiday catalog as well. They're little epoxy stickers, and the little skull and crossbones is a stamp, but there's also an epoxy one if you get this set in the holiday catalog. So lots of goodies in here to make your treat bags or make Halloween cards. Remember, you can't get this kit any longer, but you could head on over to paperpumpkin.com or stampinup.com. Click on the link for Paper Pumpkin to see if there's any refill kits left. Then if you do like these kits, follow the link above and subscribe. Thanks for watching and hope you have a great day. Bye guys.